In Caracas, thousands rallied behind the Bolivarian militia, answering President Maduro's call to defend Venezuela, just as U.S. warships make their way into the Caribbean. Franco Baranda tells us more.
Thousands of civilians volunteered to join the Bolivarian militia in the city of Caracas on Saturday, as the second day of Phase 2 of militia enlistment continued amid geopolitical tensions with the United States. Footage showed Venezuelan citizens marching with posters of former President Hugo Chavez, as well as long queues at the voluntary enlistment tents set up at various points in the city. One of the most significant marches began on Avenida Sucre and culminated at the Cuartel de la Montaña, where Chavez's remains rest.
Bueno, ellos hablan de buques, de submarinos nucleares. Claro que representan una amenaza, porque es el terrorismo de Estado que el gobierno imperial decadente de los Estados Unidos quiere imponer para que haya un cambio de régimen democrático en Venezuela.
Citizens who enlisted said they were ready to defend the country, not only with weapons but ideologically and politically.
Yo vengo a servirle también a la patria, yo también quiero ser miliciana. Quiero defender este país porque estamos pasando demasiada pobreza y todos jugan a Maduro, por eso no es así. Esa es culpa de Donald Trump.
The day marked by slogans and drums reflects the strategy of Nicolas Maduro's government to send a message of resistance in the face of pressure from Washington. Tensions between Venezuela and the United States arises from the deployment of U.S. vessels to the Caribbean Sea, allegedly heading towards Venezuela, in what Washington claims are operations against international drug trafficking. On the night of Friday, 29th of August, the U.S. vessel USS Lake Erie entered the Panama Canal from the Pacific en route to the Caribbean. Reporting for Newsline World, Franco Baranda, SMNI News.